So I'll be showing you how to remove a Google account from your Samsung Galaxy S24. Now you can remove your Google account whether you have one Google account or you have many or several Google accounts on your phone and you just want to remove one. It's the same process. So go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to accounts and backup, tap on that, and then tap on manage accounts at the top there. Okay, and then it should see all your accounts including your Google account. Okay, so what you want to do now here is select the Google account you want to remove. So for instance, if I want to remove this one, I'll just select it and then I'll tap on remove account, and then I'll confirm by tapping on remove account. That account has now been removed. Now that means basically I'm signed out of that account on all the Google products. So YouTube, Gmail, Google Drive, all those Google services do not have that Google account because I've just removed it. And it really is as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.